Welcome to the Neuroverse channel. Here's presenting DataGuardian Agent. DataGuardian Agent scans credentials, scores risks, and delivers real-time advisory, built for indie devs, designed for resilience. Let's have a look on setup of Agent. Clone the repo, then set up your .env file. Create your virtual environment, then activate it, isolated, secure, and ready for agent execution. Install all required dependencies using pip. This sets up the agent's environment, ready for scanning, scoring, and advisory generation. Let's run the pipeline. One command, python run_pipeline.py, and the agent begins its scan. Logs are ingested, risks are scored, and advisory generation kicks in. Each cause is analyzed by stage, whether it's exposure, propagation, or recovery. The advisory panel breaks it down with clarity: what went wrong, why it happened, and how to fix it. This is DataGuardian Agent in action, modular, resilient, and built for indie devs who care about hygiene and control. The dashboard at localhost 5000 runs smoothly, visualizing everything in real time. A pie chart categorizes types of risks, clear segmentation by exposure type. Alongside, a bar chart reveals the pattern frequency of risk occurrences, helping devs spot recurring vulnerabilities. The summary report dives deep: what went wrong, when it happened, why it occurred, and how to deal with it. Each cause is broken down by stage, exposure, propagation, and recovery. Scanning is complete, scoring is precise, and alert logs are generated instantly. Toggle mode lets you switch between light and dark themes for better readability. And the download button exports a full report for offline review. This is more than a dashboard, it's agentic cognition. DataGuardian Agent doesn't just detect, it explains, advises, and empowers indie devs to act with clarity and control. From logs to rescue tips, modular pipeline powering DataGuardian Agent. You can also run the agent step-by-step, modular and transparent. Start with ingest_logs.py, then scan with search_risks.py, summarize using summarize_risks.py, and trigger alerts via trigger_alert.py. Finally, launch app.py to open the dashboard at localhost 5000. You can reach me on DevPost, GitHub, Discord, and Telegram. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and join Neuroverse.